Today, I'll show you how to fix a keyboard that's not working in Windows 11. Follow these steps one by one, and your keyboard should start working again. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, check the basics. Make sure your keyboard is properly connected. If you're using a USB keyboard, unplug it and plug it back into a different USB port. If it's a wireless keyboard, replace the batteries or reconnect it via Bluetooth. Next, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix temporary glitches that stop your keyboard from working. If that didn't help, try using the on-screen keyboard so you can continue troubleshooting. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Keyboard, and turn on the on-screen keyboard. Now let's update the keyboard driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section, right-click your keyboard device, and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If updating doesn't work, try reinstalling the driver. In Device Manager, right-click your keyboard and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Another fix is to check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install any pending updates and restart your system. You should also disable filter keys, as it can sometimes cause keyboard issues. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Keyboard, and make sure filter keys is turned off. If your keyboard is still not working, try running the troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Look for the keyboard option and click Run. If you don't see a keyboard troubleshooter there, don't worry, Windows 11 has removed it in some versions. In that case, press Windows and R, type this command, and hit Enter. Then click Next, and let Windows scan for any hardware issues. If you're using a wireless keyboard, you can also run the Bluetooth troubleshooter from the same page. Lastly, check if the issue is hardware-related. Try connecting your keyboard to another computer. If it doesn't work there either, your keyboard may be faulty and need replacement. Follow these steps carefully, and one of them should fix your keyboard issue in Windows 11.